Shinshiv. I'm Gillespie Ferguson, your Scottish Gaelic speech coach, here to help you get rid of English words and sounds from your Gaelic. Nisha, je ha seo tuv hawl aloha. Je ha seo. Icklish. Icklish. What do I hear all the time? I hear the word ache. Achish. It's an ache to my ears because it's much shorter than that. It's Icklish with a hard Gaelic G. And to get that, give the beginning of words like this more welly, more oomph, and they will sound much better. Icklish. And with the article, it's Icklish. Icklish. Notice how that flows together. It's not an Icklish with too much stress on the. It's Icklish. Icklish. Seo Icklish. Icklish voor jal a híde. Seo Icklish. In seo an the canna tua in Isle of Skye. Subscribe to my channel to get more tips on how to improve your Gaelic and get rid of English sounds like ache from your Gaelic and develop a much more authentic and pleasing voice.